Yeah, just checking out the Swan surveillance cameras. Now, this is what you see in black and white at night time, but when you trigger the sensor lights, if you've got lights on your property and they come on, it instantly puts it into colour, which I think is brilliant. Now, these are all set and they're all Wi-Fi, which is you can put them anywhere you like. Depending on your Wi-Fi speed and the pickup, that's how good they show up. Also, at the moment mine is set to, you've got three settings: low, medium, high. Mine's set to low at the moment. It can go to 1080p, not a problem. HD, 100% wireless, weatherproof, and also 7-day recording, 24 hours. As you can see, this is daytime here now at a different angle. You can have your camera set to whatever angle you like, which is cool. It doesn't work by movement, which is great. It works by heat sensing, which I think is fantastic. Yeah, here you can see on the camera, bit poor quality, but yeah, what's good about it is you've got all these different settings that you can use. You can be miles away from home in the other part of the world and still check out your property while you're not home by using these settings, which I think is pretty cool. You got camera settings here, and it says front. Click on your front, and you can do whatever your settings here do. Mine's set at the moment here, mine's set down on minimum. Yeah, it's just brilliant, works really well. Okay, now we'll just do a quick demo what's out the front. This is live footage. So this is live footage now, what's out the front. That's coming out live now. And what you can do, pinch to zoom, whatever. Have a look around your property. See the trees moving in the background there. Yeah, which I think is pretty good, and you can do this live when you're not at home and check your property out. Then of course you can go to camera 2 on the side, camera 3 on the back, and so forth. You have up to 4 cameras on it, and yeah, all Wi-Fi, and works brilliant. Pretty cool. And also, if you come down the bottom here, this is where it stores all your videos. Anyone walks in front of that camera will put up a small video. And also you can go back a day or so, but I've deleted all the other ones. You can play them by tapping on them. Also what you can do is up the top there, you can see here you've got the delete. Down the bottom you've got the save, so you can save the video onto your phone and so on. And that's the video playing now, which you can have in full screen, whatever. That's me walking through the back gate. Yeah, so it's absolutely fantastic, really cool. And that's it there, Swan. Safe by Swan. The camera works really well. Hope you enjoyed the video.